How you doing? Johnny Walker, Technical Manager for ICP in the Roofing and Waterproofing Division, here at World of Concrete 2022. I want to show a couple things. What I want to show today is our APOC Incredible Tape Direct to Concrete. You can use this to repair a seam or a crack in any of your concrete roof surfaces. Additionally, then we're going to coat that with the APOC 252, providing a secondary waterproofer and some UV protection. Step one, the first thing we want to do is make sure that our surface is clean and dry. Cut your Incredible Tape to the proper length. Remove the release liner. Don't remove the entire liner, just enough to get started. You're going to line that up and press it into place. Now lift the tape and remove the rest of the release liner. To ensure good adhesion and a proper bond, you always want to roll the tape using a quality hand roller in more than one direction. Now that you've got your tape down, you are watertight and reinforced. Now we want to provide a secondary waterproofer and some UV protection by using our APOC 252 acrylic coating. You really should apply about 2 to 3 gallons per 100 square feet would be a proper rate over the top of the fleece tape. And there you have it. Allow that to cure up 24 to 48 hours before it gets rained on, and you are 100% waterproof.